Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fun way to roll that feels amazing. This roll plays off of the V-sit roll, and if you don't remember, I'll show you what a V-sit roll is, which is also a absolutely fantastic roll, or an absolutely fantastic roll. Sorry for my grammar, I'm from Fuquay Arena. Anyway, so the V-sit roll is we're gonna take our eyes right, head right, and we're gonna allow our hands to support us, and we're just gonna let our body follow our eyes and our head. And you just go where you feel comfortable going, and then we go eyes left, head left, and allow the body to follow as we rotate around. So eyes right, eyes left, head left. And this is the V-sit roll, and it's great because it allows for rotation in the spine, but also you start to get gentle internal and external rotation of the hips. Now, we're gonna build on that by doing, well, it's kind of like we're gonna thread the needle. So we're gonna go eyes right, head right, and as I rotate, I'm going to put a little bit of weight on my hands to allow me to pick this leg and drag it underneath to come here and rotate around. Then I'm gonna undo it. So I'm gonna pick myself up just a smidgen to come back. So we're just threading the needle underneath the leg that we're rotating away from. So if I go eyes left, head left, same thing, I put my hands for support, but just drag this leg underneath and I continue to rotate around as feels good or necessary, and come back. So all we're doing is we're taking the V-sit roll and we're adding a little fanciness by threading the needle, threading one leg underneath the other leg. So at speed, it's kind of like, and you just let your eyes and head lead the motion. And that's it, but this feels, especially when you get here and you're like, oh yeah, that's the stuff. And again, as with anything, be curious, move where you can, don't try to force anything, but be open to what your body will let you do, right? So don't be forceful, just be curious. And see what you think. Anyway, give that a shot, the thread the needle V-sit roll. We'll come up with a better name for it eventually. I think you're gonna like it. It does feel quite amazing. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. This is Tim with Original Strength, and I'll see you next time. To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.